ba ako dali na lang natin. Tagti ang ba niya, ulat niya pa to si Lia maabot. Pagbayad, pag-send niya. Si Venus. Kung i-send na ha. Tapos niya ang Inday na bayad lang 740. Ang bako ako lang ni Mata kay Cheryl sa Luzon nga daw. Nya ti makay kinalistaw na isip ko ilista lang daya. Kasi ko tingbalang ang kada masukot mo ihatag lang di sa iya para listahon niya. Kung pila na ang narimit mo siya lang di malista. Lista ka man da singgo kung pila imo listada. Na narimit mo sa iya importante para mabuhin ang amat si mo nakwa. Ang wala ay ma-dispose ti ara pada baligya mo naman na pagkasukot mo na naman silin ko ihatag mo na naman. Ya sige an ko puga kali pumoy. Shout out 1 million people. 1 million. 1 million people in the house. Shout out sa'yo. May saka na siya. Alas 5 ko maabot. Organize that. 4 million people, may grab shout out. Magkalas niya. Fatima. Assalamu alaikum. I'm fine, thank you so much. There you go. You are now a moderator in my channel. You can drop your link so that I can pin it. Oh, Fatima. Are you my baby Fatima? I'm making kobsarug for chai. Fatima, where are you from? Are you from Kuwait? Hi. For Quran. Assalamu alaikum. My friends, thank you. Fatima, you can message me in English. Oh, okay. How are you doing, my friend? I just take note. You're from Kuwait. Oh, what's the name of this? This one from Kuwait. What's your name? I cannot read Arabic. You can. Fatima. Oh wow, from Indonesia. Fatima, we're just neighbor. I'm from the Philippines. Someone from Kuwait. Hey, how are you? Someone from Kuwait. I'm making futur. Slow nanti. Thank you guys. I will just visit your channel after my live stream, after my work. Fatima, just leave a comment in my video. Are you staying here in Kuwait, Fatima? You're typing in Arabic. I cannot read Arabic, but I can translate it later. You're from Kuwait. Thank you. I am here in Kuwait. Oh, nice to meet you, Fatima. You can, guys, you can comment on my video so that I can view it later. For now, I cannot reply you. I love you, Fatima. Thank you so much. Tuta. Thank you so much, Fatima. Then I will just follow you after my live stream, okay? Just comment on my video so that I can see your message there, and then I will reply to you. Okay? Thank you. I will give you more subscribers, Fatima, later, okay? Thank you. You want one of my video there in my videos. Just comment and I can see you later. I can view your comment later. I don't have my earphones with me, so I cannot speak directly. Are you fasting, Fatima? you guys. Thank you. My eyes is red. You are my tutor. 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 Yes, sir. Mega love shout out. Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir Jologs Vlog Canada. Hi, mega love shout out. Sir, ayan, may mga friends tayo nandiyan. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I am making food for Futur. Are you from Kuwait, Yasser? Sir Jologs, sobrang busy po kasi nagluluto ngayon kasi alam mo naman Ramadan dito. Kaya super busy. Yeah, sir, I am making fil-fil putat. You know fil-fil putat? I will make fil-fil putat. Thank you so much. Yan. Dami nila. O, baka nandiyan pa amo ko mamaya. Binuo ko. Sir Jologs, biba ka din ng bahay, sir. Wait lang si Yasser. Yasser Aldusari. Yasser Aldusari. Where are you from, Yasser? You're already in my... You're already... Oh, just go. What happened? Kapag isa kalibo, may ara form dito sa GC sa Pia, GC3. Nangyari ba? $4 million people in the house. Thank you. Guys, mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa mga videos ko na nandyan. Hindi dito sa live. Kasi para makita ko yung mamaya, babalikan ko kayo, ha? Sinisip ko na.
Anong biggest name mo po?
Jasser 12, mega love shout out and thank you so much. Jasser, please comment on my video so that I can see you after a while. Oh, you're from Kuwait. I am in Kuwait, yes, sir. Kuwaiti? What is your nationality? Assalamu alaikum, Jasser. I am in Kuwait, Jasser. I am in Kuwait right now. Jasser, please comment on my video so that I can see you. Okay? I can visit your channel also and I can give you more subscribers. Mag-fill up ka. Ikay ka nubog kasi kung na daot ka. Nahuli ako ko gani. Mag-fill up ko guro ay. May ara sa among GC kay nagipasangan kami ka. Hambal ka, hambal. Ano na siya ma'am ang party sa bagong nga rules, ay bagong nga gipasa nga raffle. Mamangkot ka, wala kayo mapasa na sila. Duwa ka bilog GC ko ba?
Dua ka. Dua GC. Dua kinakita.
Wala. Ang isa galang tao lang po, ang isa lang po baga.
Isa yung parang pick up na sa ako lang.
Ngalan ko man gyapon.
Pwede na.
Akigan ko. Isa lang ka pangalan.
Dua biya ko.
Dua ka Facebook, tapos isa ka Facebook, dua ka GC. Gin pasulod ko ni ni Jenny. Jasa, hello. Bring you guys in from Mishrif. Hey, Jasser, I'm from Mishrif. I am here in Mishrif. You comment on my video so that I can visit your channel. I am from Mishrif. Did you subscribe in my channel, Jasser, or did I subscribe in your channel? I don't know. Can you speak Arabic, Jasser? Viewers, thank you, Jasser. Comment on my video so that I can visit your channel after. Okay. Thank you. This is finished. I cannot let you watch while I am cooking because Block 3. Oh, okay. Block 3 is in Mishrif Jamia Kabir. Jamia Kabir. I'm from Block 6. We're from Block 3, Jasser.